Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to book hotels on Grab. To book hotels on Grab, open up your Grab, and once you're here at your Grab, click on All. And when you're at All, find it's in For You Hotel. And once you click on Hotel, you'll be given an option to which one will you book your hotel. It can be Agoda or Booking.com. And once you're here, click on Agoda. Wait for it. And there you go. You may book what hotel you want. For example, I'm gonna book Manila, and then search. Got this loading. And once you're here, there you go. You can choose which one you want to book. I'm gonna give me a sample. Hotel World Last. There we go. Then see available room. Then let's choose the premium with garage. And once here, it's loading now. And there you go. Just add in your details, number and Gmail. And after that, you're done. Next to the final step, you'll just need to add the payment method. We're gonna add a name, so we're just gonna add any name. So we're gonna add that, blah blah blah, and we're gonna put gmail.com. I put gmail.com. Next, final step. There we go. The final step is this. You can either pay with credit, monthly payments, or others. So I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.